Hi everyone, we are in Icon Canada doing a video of the Daisy, my pilot Tommy Blues, Spotify, watches Sneaky Long and Pinky Punk. Then we're going to get to the windy day. Let's do it. And it's actually windy in our place as well. So you know, oops. Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Jeremy Clarkson and today is a windy day, but I don't care. I'm gonna go for a drive in my Jag.
Okay.
Ooh, heck!
The train! Oh, just missed.
Oh, that was close, but thankfully speed and power saved my car. Right, Woody, Buzz and Jesse, we're here to visit the Tomliboos, but I think you three should stay in the car. No problem, Hammond. We'll find something to
That's
keep
a very
us
good idea, so their hat
won't
doesn't.
we? Yeah.
Well, Buzz can come.
Hello there,
not
Tomliboos.
really.
You might want to be careful because it's a bit windy today.
Oh, we'll be careful. Yeah, I know. We'll be careful. Whoa, what the? Oh god, get back. Ah, what's going on? I tried it. Whoa, what the? Whoa. My trousers! At least my trousers are still there. Oh no it is. Oh no it isn't. Okay, I spoke too soon. Oh, trousers.
Oh no! Tomliboos, your trousers! Hold on, get in the car. Me, Buzz and Jesse and Woody will help you catch them.
Catch your trousers, Tomliboos.
Yes, we're gonna catch them.
Let's go
Come
get
on.
them. Hold on
Let's
tight,
catch them.
everyone.
Come on. Oh god, you got the trousers. Oh no.
They're not too far away. We could catch them. We just need to keep trying.
I hope so.
We just need to go a bit faster. I'm working on it, Woody.
Oh my god, I saw trousers. Come on, catch them.
Come on, car.
It's getting away.
Quick, Tomliboos, catch your trousers.
I'm trying. Come on, everybody, get the trousers. This out to my blanket as well. Excited you, people.
I'm still on them.
Watch out!
We're never gonna catch them. Don't give up yet, Jesse. We can still get them. Hang on, I'll put the foot down.
Why does it go so fast? Come on. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh, my trousers!
The trousers are on the roof. We'll never get them back now.
We can't reach them up there. No. Oh, darn. We lost the trousers now. Oh no. Oh dear, you listen to some music. The toilets must be very sad. Exactly, you know.
Tomliboos are playing sad music. I think they might be missing their trousers.
You got that right. That's right, narrator.
Oh dear. I'm gonna go and see if I can find a crane.
Uh-oh.
What's going on? Why won't it start? Oh no! The insignia died trying to save the Tomliboos' trousers!
You were going too fast. Sorry, man. What a sad day. Sad, windy day. You said it.
Wait a minute. I think there's hope. I'm gonna call a mechanic. Huh? What's that sound?
Wait, what's that? he's oh my. Oh dear. The child's on the bush, the roof. Oh dear.
It's the Ninky Nonk, but what's it doing?
What are you doing, Nico? No, I have an idea. I have an idea. Watch me. Just watch. What the? What? Yes! It worked! That was easy. Oh, now I say the child is your turn. Oh, you're very busy. Let's do. Oh, what's going on? What the? Oh, what? Alright, wait, what are we doing? Let's take them off. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's our trousers! What's going on? Stuck. There we go. Oh, trousers!
Look at that, Tumbly Boos. It's your trousers.
It's our trousers. No way.
Guys, look. What is it, Jesse?
We got our trousers back. Oh, we missed them. Yeah? Oops. Okay. Let's put the trousers on. 2, 3. There we go.
I haven't called the mechanic yet, but I'm going to try and make this an even happier ending by getting this car to start.
We're going to trousers back. I don't know. Oh, it started.
Yes.
There we go.
Well done, old girl.
I'm here. Nikki, no. Yes. I saved the trousers. What? You
What
went
a
on the
day
bush.
that was.
No, went on the
I've just
tree.
heard that Clarkson
And I turned,
had
and then
his
boom.
windscreen
See the tree over
smashed
there?
by a tree branch.
Oh!
And
I
in
forgot
the
the tree's right next
meantime,
to my
the
bush.
Tumbly Boos
Yes, I
lost
went on
their
that tree.
trousers.
So
We
I turned
gave
that way,
chase,
and then got my
but
trousers
it was
back.
the Ninky
Oh,
Nonk that saved the trousers. Thank you, Ninky
thanks so
Nonk.
much. Anytime.
Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this video,
Just doing
and
my
we'll see
job.
you in the next one.
What a happy ending. Well done, Nick, you know. You're well done. I'm surprised you did my job. I know, you were busy, so yeah. Yeah, that's true. I don't want to get blown by the wind, so yeah. yeah, so I say it then. Don't give me time, Booze. Yes, thanks, Nick, you know. Anytime. Well, that's a good today's video, so that was a happy ending, so hopefully the wind. Maybe we should stay inside till the wind clears. Wind, like, calm down a bit. Yeah, that's what we could do. Yeah, okay. So thanks for watching, comment, like, subscribe, and see you in this video.